Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel where we teach basic of language to young learners. Today we are going to learn about three-letter words. These words are important building blocks for reading and writing. So let's start. C-A-T, cat. D-O-G, dog. B-U-G, bug. S-U-N, sun. F-U-N, fun. B-U-S, bus. M-A-N, man. B-A-G, bag. H-A-T, hat. B-A-T, bat. C-A-R, car. Fantastic job! You all did a great learning these words today. Remember, practicing make perfect, so keep practicing these words. And you will be reading and writing in no time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel so you can watch amazing videos.